The Miser and His Gold. In a small village, there lived a man named Mr. Penny, known to everyone as the biggest miser in town. But when a thief named Sly Sam steals his gold, Mr. Penny learns that money is only valuable when shared and spent wisely, leading to a transformation in his life and relationships with his neighbors. Mr. Penny had a beautiful garden, but he cared more about what was hidden beneath it than the flowers above. His heart was always in the hidden treasure and he never enjoyed the true beauty of his garden. Every night, after the sun went down, Mr. Penny would sneak out to his garden with a small shovel. He would carefully dig up a large stone and reveal a secret hole underneath. In this hole, Mr. Penny kept all his gold coins, shining and sparkling in the moonlight. He would count each coin, one by one, making sure none were missing. 1, 2, 3. Mr. Penny never spent a single coin, believing that having money was more important than using it. He didn't buy new clothes, even when his old ones had holes. He ate only the cheapest food, even when his stomach growled for something tasty. Mr. Penny's neighbors often wondered why he lived so poorly when they knew he had money. Little did they know, all his wealth was buried right under their noses. One night, as Mr. Penny counted his coins, a sneaky thief named Sly Sam was watching from behind a bush. Sly Sam's eyes grew wide as he saw the pile of gold coins glittering in the moonlight. He waited patiently until Mr. Penny finished counting and went to bed. Then, as quiet as a mouse, Sly Sam crept into the garden and found the hidden spot. With quick hands, he scooped up all the gold and disappeared into the night. The next morning, Mr. Penny woke up early, excited to count his coins as usual. But when he reached his secret spot, he found nothing but an empty hole. "Oh no! My gold! My precious gold!" he cried, his voice echoing through the village. Hearing his wails, the neighbors came running to see what was wrong. "What happened, Mr. Penny?" Between sobs, Mr. Penny told them about his stolen gold. The neighbors were surprised to learn about the hidden treasure in the garden. "But Mr. Penny," one neighbor asked, "why did you keep your gold outside? Wouldn't it be safer inside your house?" Mr. Penny sniffled and replied, "Well, I never planned to spend it anyway. It was just there to count." The neighbors looked at each other, puzzled by Mr. Penny's strange behavior. "But if you never spent the gold," another neighbor said gently, "how is it different from the stones in your garden?" Mr. Penny's eyes widened as he realized the truth in his neighbor's words. "You're right," he said slowly, "my gold was as useless as these stones if I never used it to help myself or others." From that day on, Mr. Penny learned an important lesson about the true value of money. He started using his savings to buy things he needed and to help others in the village. He fixed his old clothes, ate better food, and even bought flowers to make his garden truly beautiful. The neighbors were happy to see Mr. Penny smiling and enjoying life for the first time. As for Sly Sam, he was caught trying to sell the gold in the next town and had to return it all. Mr. Penny forgave him and used some of the returned gold to help Sly Sam find an honest job. The village children often gathered to hear Mr. Penny tell his story, learning that money's real value comes from how it's used, not how it's hoarded. And so, the tale of Mr. Penny and his gold became a favorite in the village, reminding everyone that true wealth comes from generosity and wise spending. Mr. Penny lived happily ever after, no longer a miser but a kind and respected member of the community. And his garden, once hiding useless gold, now bloomed with the most beautiful flowers in all the village. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss any of our amazing stories.